Hi everyone. In part 1, we learned about type of the angles or how to recognize them. Okay, but in part 2, we are going to learn about 2D shape or 2D objects. Okay, so before I start this briefly, just think on this. What is a 2D shape? What comes to your mind when I say 2D shapes? Okay, for a child, he or she doesn't know the difference between 2D and 3D shape. Okay, and they don't know why are we calling them as 2D and 3D. Okay, so they can imagine huge lot of things now. They can think like this or something like this. Okay, so now we'll start. What is a 2D shape? 2D, as you can see here, 2D. 2 stands for 2, but the D stands for dimensions. Okay, so what are dimensions now? Length, width, height, object, or thickness. These things can be called as dimensions. Okay, these things can be called as dimensions. See here the example. As you can see here, I have taken square as the example. So where you can find only two different dimensions, which are length and width. Okay. So here we can't find any height or depth or thickness. Only two different dimensions are there. That's why we call them 2D shape. Okay. But when it comes for cube, as you can see here, three different dimensions are there: height, length, and width. So that's why we call them as 3D shape. Okay, three different dimensions are there. Okay, I hope now you understood the difference between 2D shape and 3D shape and why are we calling them as 2D and 3D. Okay, and these are the common examples that I can give for 2D shape: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon. So these are the common examples that we used to come across. Okay, and here's a summary. Now, hope you understood the difference between the 2D and 3D, and based on what we are calling them as uh, 2D and 3D. Okay, bye. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.